He has massive zoomies. Hey Louie, what are you doing? You crazy boy? That's my fucking gloves, mate. Cute. Alright. You know what it is? That definitely, the inner tire definitely stretched a lot and it caused that flat. That kind of worries me because now I want to change the front. If that makes sense. Because I don't want the front to go flat, knowing that the reason this went flat is because it's stretched out. That's a little concerning. Sometimes you can see the screw is going in or not. It's so hard to tell. Alright, feels like they're all in. Whew. I'm kind of going as fast as I can, but I have very low energy right now. I kind of want to venture out tonight. But I gotta be careful. I don't want to get hit by a car. So you can see that it's tight. That's the only way to fully tell that it's in all the way. Because the tires are so big, it's hard to see. This side looks tight. So my recommendation with the PMT tires are to get bigger inner tubes if you have a Mantis Pro or V2. That's tight. That's tight. That is pretty fucking tight. Oh, no. Did I strip this bitch? Okay, I don't think I did. I should buy new nuts though, in case it is stripped. Let me see. Okay, which direction was it on? Oh, fuck, I don't know. I forgot what I did with that piece. This side is falling off. Did it fall off? I didn't see it? Fuck me. I should have taken. Oh, there's. Ha, 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 ha. Found it. Found it. We're good, guys. Found it. It was right there the whole time. I'm pretty sure it goes this way. Oh, with this shit, you just want to move slow and methodical. It's kind of like working on cars. Very easy to fuck yourself up. Get that in. So, sometimes you have to widen it a little bit to get it back in. Yeah, I need to widen it a lot more. Oh, you know what? This goes on the outside.